divisibility questions. We are to prove that for all the integers n, the number 3 raised to the power 2n minus 1 is divisible by 8. So let's look at how to handle situations where you are asked to prove divisibility. So we'll test the base case when n is equal to 1. We are going to have 3 raised to the power 2 multiplying 1 minus 1. And this will yield 9 minus 1. And that will be 8. 8 is indeed divisible by 8. So the base case is true. Then we write our inductive hypothesis. The case when n is equal to k. 3 raised to the power 2n, sorry, that will be 2k. 2k minus 1. This is a hypothesis. So at the hypothetical stage, we assume that it is true. So in that instance, we can say 3 raised to the power 2k minus 1 is divisible. Divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. But we want to write this one mathematically. I can write this as 3 raised to the power 2k minus 1 is equal to 8x, where x is a natural number. Natural number. So the statement 3 raised to the power 2k minus 1 is divisible by 8 is what I've translated that into an equation. 3 raised to the power 2k minus 1 is equal to 8x, where x is a natural number. It means that if 3 raised to the power 2k minus 1 is indeed divisible by 8, then the value is going to be a multiple of 8. And the multiple of 8 is just 8 multiplying the natural numbers. 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 8 times 4, 8 times blah, 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 blah. So if 3 raised to the power 2k minus 1 is divisible by 8, that means that the value is one of the multiples of 8. And we can say that this is equal to 8x, where x is what? A natural number. Now let's go to the k plus 1 case. When n is equal to k plus 1. That's going to be 3 raised to the power. Let's look at the expression 2n minus 1. So that will give us 2 into bracket k plus 1 minus 1, which is just be 3 into bracket 2k plus 2 minus 1. So we need to prove that this expression is divisible by 8 by using the hypothesis, the inductive hypothesis. So if you're able to prove by using the inductive hypothesis that this expression is divisible by 8, then the proposition given is indeed true. So let's pick the inductive hypothesis. It is 3 raised to the power 2k minus 1 is equal to 8x, where x is a natural number. And the proving stage, you are applying all your knowledge in mathematics, your concept, your skills, your ingenuity. There is always not a laid down recipe that you must follow. So this is the hypothesis. Our idea is to arrive at something like this. which is divisible by what? 8. So that is what we are bearing in mind as we go on. So as we are manipulating this expression, using our ingenuity and using all the skills we've acquired in mathematics, our focus is to arrive at this expression. Okay, so let's go on. The first thing I'll do is to remove the 1 to the other side. It becomes plus 1.